Hello everyone, this is our presentation. We will explore the legal and ethical aspects of cybersecurity in India and focusing on IT Act 2000 and second one is Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 and third one is important international regulations such as GDPR. So our point is what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is a law that protects digital system and networks and personal data and regulate cybercrime, and third one is ensure safe digital environments. So by these words we can say that the cybersecurity law ensures safe use of digital technologies by defining crimes and responsibilities and penalties related to cyber misuse. Just like someone hack your account and misuses your data and securities and your IDs, passwords, etc. You can protect it uh, by why cyber security law are needed. So rise in cyber crimes. Second is data breaches. Third is online fraud and identity theft. Fourth is protection of personal data, and fifth is digital economy growth. In simply word, if we talk about why we need cyber security law is that it helps us to protect individual or organizations, and it provides safety from cybercrime like ransomware and phishing attack and etc. So these are the key overview of our presentation. First is IT Act 2000, second is and second is Amendment Act 2008, and third is Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023, and fourth is international regulations like GDPR. So IT Act 2000 introduction is it is the India's first cyber law, and it provides legal recognition to electronic documents and digital signature. Electronic documents like e-Aadhaar, e-PAN card, and digital signatures like personal human's fingerprints, which is stored in government databases. It governs cybercrimes and e-commerce also. It means it provides the identity to electronic documents and electronic signatures, yeah, digital signatures, which helps people to identify easily. We talk about the objectives of IT Act 2000. So it provides prevent of cybercrime and enable cyber secure e-commerce, and third is provide digital signature validation, and fourth is protection of online privacy. So if we talk about the key sections under IT Act 2000, so first one is section 43. So unauthorized access damage to computer systems, and section 65 is tampering with computer source code, and section 66 hacking and identity theft, and section 66C is identity thieves, and section 66D is online fraud, cheating by impersonation, and section 66E pro, and section 66E privacy violation, and section 67 publishing obsession content like abusing and sensitive posts and images, and section 66(9) government power to interaction interrupt, and section 69 government power to intercept decrypt data. So according to IT Act 2008 amendments, it provides a stronger punishment to cyber criminals and their is a new section added, which is section 66F, related to cyber terrorism, and also recognize new digital criminal crimes and expands privacy protections. So, according to Digital Data Protection Act 2023, it is an India's first dedicated data protection law, which was inspired by GDPR. GDPR is a European data protection law and focuses on user consent, data privacy, and data processing and other rules. According to the key concepts of DPDP Act 2023 is the personal data and data forgery, the company handling your data like AI GPT can use your data, images, and etc. data your according to itself, and you cannot objection on their policies and term and conditions. And data principles, like the personal whose data is collected, and sensitive data protection and other informations, sensitive personal data. So, according to the Rights of Individual DPDP Act 2023, so we have right to access data, we have right to correct data, we have right to grievance redressal, and we have right to withdraw, and we have right to nominate another person to manage data of uh, that person. So the obligations on companies, so it must protect your data, it must delete data when no longer needed, must report data breaches, and last one is cannot collect unnecessary data when no one is needed it. Up to up to 250 crore rupee penalties for data breaches, strict fine for not having security measures and not reporting breaches and violating constant rules. So the according to international law GDPR. So, according to international law, GDPR, strong constant requirements, data minimization principle, right to be forgotten, and data portability, and heavy penalties up to 20 million European dollars. So, the according to ethical aspects of cybersecurity is confidentiality, integrity, and minimizing personal data collection, and also ethical hacking, and responsible for this disclosure. So, there is cyber ethics for users. So, don't we should not. Don't share fake informations, like don't hack or steal data, or don't cyberbully others, or respect others privacy, or use always use stronger passwords. And there are cyber ethics for companies, like should should handle users data responsibly, take permission before collecting data, and secure data with encryption, or be transparent their users their users data, and report data breaches. So now we talk about the conclusion of our presentation is cyber security law protects citizens from online threats, and IT Act 2000 handles cyber crimes, and DPDP Act 2023 protects personal data, and ethics and also ethical practices strengthen cyber securities. So, in the end, thank you for hearing my presentation, and